Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to clean and disinfect my brushes. I've been doing my makeup a lot lately, so my brushes are super dirty and filled with a ton of bacteria. I also feel like I've never properly disinfected my brushes, so I really want to make sure I do that today. I know some of you guys watching right now have not washed your brushes in months, and if that's you, this is your sign to go wash your brushes right now. I actually read online that makeup brushes should be sanitized, not just cleaned, at least bi-weekly or once a month if that fits your lifestyle. Honestly, if you really think about it, once a month is better than like once every 5 months. So definitely clean and sanitize your brushes. I also read that even if you use your brushes once, as soon as it has makeup on it, you need to be cleaning it at least once a week or every 2 weeks. So it doesn't matter if you use it one time, you gotta clean your brushes. I decided to keep things simple and just use Dawn and water for my brush cleaner, but I really didn't like cleaning my beauty blender with the Dawn soap. I just feel like the Zote soap that I usually use just works a lot better for that, and it's just a lot easier. I feel like I had to put so much effort and I just could not get the beauty blender clean. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe microwaving it in Dawn would be better. If you guys have any tips for that, let me know. Honestly, getting this cleaning mat was one of the best purchases I ever made because it helps me clean my brushes super fast. I got this one from Shein, but they have a ton of options on Amazon and stuff. I will link the one that I got on Shein and a bunch of Amazon options if you guys don't want to wait for that Shein shipping. But if you do not have a brush mat, definitely get one. It will change your life. As I was finishing up with my brushes, I started to think about the rest of my makeup table and decided I just wanted to clear that off as well and disinfect my makeup, because why stop with disinfecting your brushes? Like, if you're gonna disinfect your brushes, you might as well disinfect your makeup as well. I mean, your brushes go on your makeup, so it just makes sense. So before I do that, I wanted to talk about our sponsor of today, Skillshare. So Skillshare is an online learning community where you learn new skills at your own pace at home or maybe during a lunch break. So I've been taking graduation pictures and engagement photos and all types of pictures for family and friends, but honestly, I'm not super confident in my abilities. So I've been taking a Skillshare course called Professional Photography on a Budget by Ibuka Morty to help me gain more confidence while I shoot. So if you're like me and you have a hobby that you'd like to learn or a skill that you're trying to perfect, Skillshare is definitely a good place to explore that creative side of you. If you're interested in trying out Skillshare, the first 1,000 people to use my link or my code Allyson will get a 1 month free trial of Skillshare. I decided to start off with my concealers, but I will admit I wasn't really sure how to disinfect my concealers or any type of makeup that comes in tubes. So I decided to just clean the outside because I'm sure the outside has bacteria. I was just a little scared to pour alcohol inside the tubes because I also don't want to ruin my makeup, and yeah, I just didn't want to mess with that. But if you guys have any tips of how you would properly clean inside like mascara tubes or concealer tubes, let me know. But I did open up my potted concealers and spray that. That was super easy, but anything tubed, I just didn't mess with. Whenever I organize my makeup, I always get questions about where I got my organizers from. So I actually got them from Amazon and the Container Store, and I will have all of the links to everything in the description box. The focus of today's video wasn't necessarily to get rid of makeup, but just to disinfect what I have. But when I saw that pixie gloss, it looked so cloudy and disgusting. It had dead skin inside. I just knew I had to get rid of it because ew. I really should have worn gloves because after a while the alcohol was really starting to make my skin super dry. So if you plan on doing this, make sure you properly protect yourself. Do not be like me. I also really want to mention that if you decide to do this, be careful when disinfecting your makeup because too much alcohol can actually harm your makeup and wreck the consistency. So don't spray too much and make sure you stay about like 6 inches away. And this is actually really important, especially for like your powders and your eyeshadows. So just be careful with that. Now I'm just clearing off my makeup table. I'm putting my most used lotions and stuff inside the storage basket that I keep under my bed, and then everything else is being moved to my bathroom. So I'm just putting away some of the stuff that you guys saw on my counter, but I did a little bit of organizing too because I couldn't fit everything. Honestly, I need to do another bathroom organizational video. So if you guys want to see that, I will film it when I do it. But just let me know if that's something you want to see. just using my favorite glass cleaner to clean my counter because it was really dirty. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, I usually hate cleaning my brushes, but for some reason today it was super therapeutic and I just kind of enjoyed doing it. I don't really know why. So I hope this video inspired you to clean your brushes. If you have one takeaway from this video, disinfect your brushes and disinfect your makeup. Yeah, so I hope you guys have an amazing day or night. If you want to see more videos from me, definitely subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.